Tired of Valorant shutting down mid-match, leaving you frustrated and your team hanging? In this video, we're diving deep into fixing those pesky Riot Vanguard crash reports, so you can get back to dominating the leaderboards. Let's start by understanding why a Vanguard crash happened. Common culprits are outdated or conflicting drivers, corrupted game files, or even system issues. Step 1. Update your drivers. Navigate to your device manager, look for any devices with an exclamation mark, which indicates they need updating. Right-click on those and select Update Driver. This ensures your graphics card, network adapter, and other vital components are running their latest versions. Critical for Vanguard stability. Repeat this for all flagged drivers. Next step, to verify your game files, open your Riot Games installation folder. Locate the Valorant folder. Inside the Valorant folder, use the Repair tool or Scan and Repair option. This process will check for and replace any corrupted or missing game files. It will take a few minutes. Step 3. Restart your system. This refreshes your system and clears any temporary files that might be causing conflicts. A clean boot can do wonders for your computer. If these steps don't fix it, consider checking your system specifications against Valorant's requirements. If all else fails, reach out to Riot Games support with these troubleshooting tips. You'll hopefully be back in action, eliminating lag and getting those victories.